Oh, hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and we can see that we had a little gap down opening. Market came down a little after taking support around the previous resistance of double tree area. Okay, market went up sharply and right now market is trading inside the range. So as a day trader, if you are trying to find out the present trend of the market here, then you can clearly see that the trend of the market is not very clear, or you can consider it to be as a sideways or choppy market as well. But if we look at the overall trend of gold here, okay, this is the overall trend. We can see the overall trend of the market is still bullish. Okay, though we do not have any major news that can give us a confirmation that market is super bullish, but technically at least, okay, we can see that the market structure is higher highs and higher lows. So as a result, we can still consider this market to be bullish. Okay, and as a day trader, things are not very clear. We have already discussed in a previous video as well. So my dear friend, if you're looking for detailed analysis, you can watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. We had a detailed discussion on gold. And if you look at the current market situation or sentiment, we can see gold falls as Trump postpones tariffs on EU. Gold dropped below 3340 per ounce on Monday as safe haven demand eased after President Donald Trump agreed to delay the planned 50% tariff on European goods. So this is a reason why gold saw a little drop after a market opening, but technically the structure of the market has not changed yet, so we can still consider the market to be bullish. During the day or during the European session or US session, if you see gold falling below 3300, okay, then you can consider that okay, we have a possibility of a trend reversal because the structure of the market will change. But as long as market is continuing higher highs and higher lows, okay, this market will be more or less bullish for us. And as I have already told you guys few times last week also, that if you are looking for good trading opportunities, then obviously gold should not be the first priority. Yes, we love to trade on the yellow metal, but you also need to consider the fact that the chart of gold is not ideal for beginners and new traders because the direction of the market is not clear. You have plenty of opportunities outside gold. Okay, but if you are a lover of gold, okay, then you can stick to gold. Okay. So what are the trading opportunities then? See, market has already bounced from the previous resistance. So obviously this level has worked once. Next time when gold will be coming down, you can expect the same level to work again. But keep in mind, this has okay done its job. So maximum one time you can expect double three to triple three zero to work as support again once, and especially during before the US session, because if market comes down with volume, then this level may not work. If market stays like this, for example, now we can see that there is not much volume in the market, you can expect this level to work. Otherwise, I do not have high hopes from this level. This is the first support. Okay, in absence of high volume, we can expect it to work. The second support on the chart of gold is around um, 3323 to 20. Already we have discussed about this level. So this is another level where you can look for a support if market comes down. Okay, so this is support 1, this is support 2, and the third support on the chart of gold is around 3305, 3300. I think 3305, 3300 is the best support on the chart of gold because it's a round number, psychological support, and moreover, the previous resistance will also be working as support here. 3323, 3320 area, okay, more or less good support. Okay, if market stays like this sideways, otherwise, okay, I do not have high hopes because if market bounces also, you can expect how much 50 to 70 pips, not more than that. And if market goes up, then obviously you can look for a sell around 336670. Why? Because market has reversed from this area previously. So this is a very critical situation. See, if market goes up from here, okay, then you can look for a selling opportunity around this area because market has reversed. But if you see that gold is super bullish due to some reason and gold crosses 3370, you can look for a buy above this level as well. Means one level but two trading opportunities. If market shows reversal sign, then you can look for a sell opportunity. But if market breaks the level with a big green candle on the 50 minutes chart or 5 minutes chart, you can look for a buy above 3370 as well. So that's why I have been saying for the last few days that the chart of gold is not very ideal for beginners and new traders. Okay, for I'm also not actively trading on gold these days, because we have seen that many tools, many indicators, okay, are failing these days. Price action is obviously doing a good job, but apart from price action, okay, rest of the things are not very working well. Okay, as a result, the number of reliable trading opportunities have also gone down on gold. Okay, so be careful. Okay, if you are a full-fledged gold trader, okay, because the trading opportunities are limited right now. Okay, it's better for you to stick to the major level. And if I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would also love to learn from you guys. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care. And this is a day traders video. I'm a hardcore day trader. Okay, I'm not here, okay, to present my opinions for the next few months, because things, okay, things will change. Okay, things will change, and I'm a day trader, so day trading is my forte. So whatever I discuss, okay, are from the perspective of a day trader only. Okay, so bye bye, take